It's time to work on the kids' bathroom. There's moisture behind here. I'm pretty sure it's probably a problem with the tiles leaking, but I've got to get in there and find out if it is this thing leaking. Well, I got all this off. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, I really was thinking we had some kind of a leak back here, but it actually looks like it was just leaking through the tile. It looks good. I'm not too worried about structural damage or anything like that back here. I may end up just redoing this with an enclosure, you know, like a shower enclosure or FRP all the way around or something. Well, basically, if you can't tell, we're going to redo it and build an FRP enclosure because there's too much water damage. Well, look at this mess. Basically, that water was getting back behind right here. And check out what particle board does whenever you get it wet. Yeah, so it's like coffee grounds, basically. Look. We're going to pull that out, I guess. No more privacy. There it is. Now I get to remodel the remodel. Repair the crap that wasn't done right. Look at that. Well, look how pretty it is up underneath all this. But that wood is really nice. These guys, when they put this in, did not put it in correctly. I'm gonna have to make it work. Huh. That's really weird. Literally got to redo everything I did in here. So the shower curtain don't do such a great job. And the water starts going back behind here, fills the floor up, and ruins it. I'm gonna put a shower in, a really tall one, because my son is so tall. Then I'll start working on this countertop. I'm gonna change it out, and I've got sinks and faucets, because red just don't work for us. The main wet wall drywalled and ready to FRP, but before I can FRP, I have got to tape and mud everything. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to mark my studs. They did something really strange here. They've got one right next to the other. Not exactly sure why, but that's okay. Alrighty, looks to me like all I gotta do now is cut this piece out. Okay. I just gotta trim it up. Hopefully I got that cut right. Got a strip to put in there, but look at that. That's how it's supposed to be. I'm going to hit the pertinent areas and try to Make sure you kind of seal up. All the mudding and taping that I'm going to do is done. All I have left to do in the shower is FRP, which will be sometime tomorrow.